The FAMAG Drill Rig. From raw blank to premium tool. Made in Germany. Looking for perfectly aligned holes with auger bit or wood twist drill? Then a mobile drill rig is a must-have. But how is a tool like this actually made? Let us take you behind the scenes, right into our production facility in Remscheid, Germany, to show you how it all comes together, from raw material to the finished product. We begin by milling the aluminum components. This part here is the stabilizer. It connects the two guide columns of the stand, adding extra rigidity, especially on our longer models. The raw piece is drilled with 2 holes where the guide columns will later be inserted. All of this happens on our highly precise CNC machines. First, the blank is loaded. And then the high precision machining begins. What once required manual labor is now mostly done with cutting-edge technology, for accuracy you can count on. Aluminum keeps things light yet sturdy, a real advantage when you're working on site. Next up, the guide bridge. It adds stability right where the drill bit meets the workpiece. Also milled from aluminum, also done with precision CNC technology. You can see the accuracy, and feel it later when you're drilling. Now the finished parts are prepped for powder coating, for long-lasting corrosion protection. Naturally, in our signature FAMAG yellow. Powder coating not only protects, it gives the tool its unmistakable look. The result? A robust, high-quality surface that lasts. After machining, the components go into our warehouse, ready for assembly. There you can already find all other needed components. Grips, special screws, depth stops, pins, adapters, our FAMAG logo, and the polished stainless steel guide columns. Even the spiral springs, also stainless steel, are made for outdoor, long-term use. Now it's time to bring it all together. Every drill stand is assembled by hand by experienced professionals. The base is also CNC machined in-house. It holds the two guide columns firmly in place. Our drill stands are made specifically for auger bits and twist drills. An adjustable drill bush plate keeps the drill centered as it enters the material. There are two spiral springs for easy backstroke of the power drill. Two depth stops let you stagelessly adjust the drilling depth. Finally, the stabilizer is mounted at the top, linking both guide columns together. Next comes the final precision test. First, we test the top bridge, where the drill is mounted, for stability and strength. Then we check if the guide bridge moves smoothly and without play. Only when everything is perfect does the drill stand leave our factory. The drill stand fits any drill with a 43mm Euro collar. Yours doesn't fit? No worries. With our smart chuck adapter, almost any drill becomes compatible. Just pop it into the mounting plate, no modifications needed. Its sturdy hexagonal shank keeps your tool firmly in place. Need to secure the drill stand to a beam? The FAMAG Drill Rig, precise, smart, and built to last. For everyone who values trusted FAMAG quality in their work. Find all models and accessories at famag.com.